हेलो नमस्कार, यू ऑल आर वाचिंग पंजाब केसरी। मैं हूं आपके साथ नमिता सृष्टि एंड टुडे वी हैव विद अस वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एलिजिबल वेला, और आई शुड कॉल हिम R4 गैंग से वेला नंबर 1
Bilal.
इज विद अस राइट नाउ। यस, आप समझ गए होंगे कि मैं किनकी बात कर रही हूँ।
Okay,
बात कर
I'm
रही हूँ राहुल
the
की अक्का
most
करण देओल की।
most Vela that I am in the group, I would say, as in character, if I would describe myself as Rahul.
अच्छा, ओके, सो वेलकम टू पंजाब केसरी राहुल।
No, thank you so much, यार. Thank you. आप कैसे हो?
तो ये मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। आप बताओ, आपको देख के वो मैंने कमेंट्स पढ़े थे और मेरे को खुद भी लग रहा है मुझे वो यंग वाले सनीपा जी याद आ गए।
उस वो वाइट शर्ट के साथ जैसे with the sleeves rolled up, और वो जो लुक भी है, he's done it
है
best
ना?
in Arjun, I think, that look with the white shirt with his sleeves rolled up.
बेताब वाला, है
हाँ,
ना?
बेताब वाला जो
राहुल को तो नहीं, मैं कहूंगी करण को कौन सी ऐसी चीज लगती है जो वेल्ले सबसे ज्यादा करते हैं और वेल्ले सबसे मतलब बिल्कुल नहीं करते, एक्सेप्ट फॉर व्हाट वी हैव वॉच्ड इन द ट्रेलर।
वेला जैसे नहीं होता कि घर पे कभी कभी ऐसा नहीं लगता कि कुछ ना करे, बस टीवी के सामने बैठ के अपने पजामा में ही सुबह से शाम तक टीवी देखते रहो, टीवी शो देखते रहो, फिल्में देखते रहो। तो वो मैं कहूंगा कि वो सबसे बेला चीज है करने अपनी जिंदगी में।
अरे वाह, ये तो आपने सही कहा, और ये मुझे लगता है कुछ वक्त पहले हम सब कर रहे थे, है ना?
हाँ, वो तो
बेटा
लॉकडाउन में हम सब ऐसे ही वो ही कर रहे थे।
तो ये वहीं से इंस्पिरेशन तो नहीं मिल गया डायरेक्टर साहब को ये मूवी बनाने का?
शायद मैं बात करता हूँ उसके साथ, शायद।
Okay, so did you see that Telugu movie जिसका ये रीमेक है, because it was a
No.
roller coaster ride,
Broche
है ना?
Burura I had seen obviously before
हाँ,
we saw Broche Burura, then we got down into the scripting phase,
okay.
because this is the official remake of that film, and that film was a brilliant film in its own rights, and everyone's performance was brilliant. So I saw that, and उसके बारे में जो अट्रैक्ट किया था एक तो कहानी थी, और जो स्टूडेंट लाइफ उन्होंने दिखाया है with the characters and all, वो ज्यादा मुझे अट्रैक्ट किया, क्योंकि वो बहुत नॉस्टैल्जिक फीलिंग आई थी मुझे। वो राहुल कैरेक्टर, I was very attracted to him कि if you got an opportunity to relive your school days, what not better time to do it than be able to do it in the as a film. So and able to portray that character, I was very excited and by that fact.
Of course, that we can see in the trailer that you are reliving your memories of school. So ये फिल्म में काम करने से क्या क्या चीजें याद आई, कितना नॉस्टैल्जिक हुए आप? कौन कौन से किस्से याद आते हैं? शैतान थे स्कूल में?
बहुत चीजें, जैसे टीचर से डांट मिलती थी वो तो हुआ है स्कूल में। क्लास तो मैंने बंक किया है। उसके बारे में तो झूठ नहीं बोलूंगा, तो वो मैंने किया है। तो और जैसे ही उस जब भी हम उस उम्र में थे तो बस मजा ही करना चाहते थे। यू डिडंट थिंक ऑफ द रेपरकशंस, व्हिच इज सिमिलर एज राहुल। यू थिंक अच्छा ये करेंगे, बट उसके आगे के रेपरकशंस के बारे में कभी सोचते नहीं। तो उसकी बहुत यादें आ गई थी मुझे ये कैरेक्टर पोर्ट्रे करने के मोमेंट में।
वैसे कौन से सब्जेक्ट से सबसे ज्यादा भागते थे करण?
मैथ्स।
एवरीवन रन, है ना? मैं भी मैथ्स से भागती
बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं, जब ये अलजेब्रा वो बॉड मास में चले जाते थे मैं कंफ्यूज हो जाता था। वैसे ही मैं डूडल करने लग जाता था क्लास में, बुक में मैं जैसे डे ड्रीमिंग करने लग जाता था मैथ्स क्लास में।
अच्छा, वो मैथ्स के नंबर्स आसपास
आने लगता है, बस मैं विंडो के बाहर दिखता था, बस अपनी दुनिया में ही चले जाता था।
ओह वाओ। वैसे डिड यू सी द फाइनल कट? अभी तो मतलब बिल्कुल रिलीज के लिए तैयार है फिल्म, आपने देखा है फाइनल कट?
Yes, I have seen it.
अच्छा।
Yeah.
So how would you rate your like acting in that or your performance in that?
I would say I'm not the best judge. मैं बहुत ही critical हूँ। So once you guys see it, you guys would be a better judge than me.
अच्छा, डैड ने ग्रैंडपा ने देखी फिल्म?
डैड अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो शूटिंग कर रहे हैं अभी गदर 2 की धर्मशाला में, सो ही इज नॉट बीन देयर इन द प्रोसेस। दादा देखने वाले आज।
अच्छा, देखने वाले हैं अभी?
हाँ, देखने वाले हैं आज। तो
अच्छा, फिर तो मुझे लगता है इंटरव्यू थोड़ी लेट होना चाहिए था, फिर ये भी पूछ पाते उनका क्या रिएक्शन था।
I'll give you update once he sees it.
अच्छा, फ्रॉम पल पल दिल के पास टू दिस मूवी मींस टू वेल्ले, ये जो ट्रांजिशन रहा, हालांकि 2 ही मूवीज हुई, बट इसमें भी जो प्रोग्रेस और ट्रांजिशन हम देख रहे हैं, दैट्स रियली लाइक, है ना, बहुत ज्यादा प्रोग्रेस हम उसमें देख पा रहे हैं। व्हाट डू यू रियलाइज?
क्योंकि when obviously after Pal Pal we expected a lot and it didn't happen, and as an actor you're your own tool, तो आपके ही हाथ में to improve yourself. Unfortunately, Purple के बाद we all got stuck in the lockdown. So I thought to myself in the lockdown, what can I do? तो मैंने अपने ऊपर बहुत काम किया, online workshops की. So on my weaknesses, I just kept on working. I was like, God given you this time, don't waste it. Look, it is a blessing that how you can work on yourself. Because we're all fighters in our house. You have the greatest role models in your house. So did they give up? No.
Yes,
so why
absolutely.
should you? Why should you give up? That you shouldn't give up. You're a fighter yourself. So get back and get going for your second round. Life will always knock you down, but you have to get back and come back stronger. So that's what I kept on telling myself. अपने आप के ऊपर बहुत काम किया. Unfortunately, with this script and with Devin, the director, I did a lot of pre-work with the script and workshops, and my cast was so beautiful and such talented actors. So with them, we all kind of became friends, and it was like a blessing to work with all of them.
तो करण को वेला बनने में कितना वक्त लगा वैसे?
वेला बनने में कितना टाइम लगा? ज्यादा टाइम.
That's the easiest task मतलब.
Yeah, I would say like,
yeah.
That's what I think. एक moment था कि किसी की the shot was getting set up. मैं विशेष सावंत अपने फोन पे लूडो खेल रहे थे. तो डायरेक्टर came. He's like, तुम लोग ज्यादा method acting नहीं कर रहे. This is heights की. I know you have velas in the film, but this is, you don't need so much method acting. तो हम ऐसे ही हंसने लगे. That moment basically.
ओके वैसे व्हाट वाज मोर डिफिकल्ट, पल पल दिल के पास में करण का रोल प्ले करना या वेला में राहुल का रोल प्ले?
आई थिंक राहुल में क्योंकि कॉमिक टाइमिंग इज ऑलवेज वेरी, इट कैन गो बोथ वेज अनलेस यू गेट इट राइट, देन इट, आई थिंक कॉमेडी इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट थिंग टू नेल and comic timing to understand it is the most difficult thing. So I would say this was a task, but fortunately my director really supported me and we really worked on it. So Pal Pal was a different character that was also difficult in its own rights. These two films characters are equally opposite and they both were equally difficult that way.
तो वो टेक अवेज तो मैं पूछूंगी एंड में, हमेशा पूछती हूँ मैं, बट देन आई वांट टू नो इसमें डिम्पी चाचू भी है ना? डिम्पी चाचू बुलाते हो ना आप अभय को?
हाँ चाचा है.
So he is great in his craft. So tell us your
I
experience
learned
of
a lot
working
from
with
him because he's an amazing actor. Yeah, so just observing him on set, his mannerism, जैसे वो scene को approach करते थे and everything, it was a great learning experience for me, and we're like friends. So we were very at ease with each other on set, and it was like a blessing to kind of be able to work with an actor of his caliber.
अच्छा वैसे अपने डैड की कौन सी फेवरेट मूवी है आपकी जो आप बार बार देखना पसंद करते हैं? इनफैक्ट योर ग्रैंडफादर्स आल्सो आई वांटेड टू आस्क.
पापा की अर्जुन है और बड़े पापा की छुपके छुपके.
अच्छा छुपके छुपके. मैं कहीं पढ़ भी रही थी, you want to reincarnate that character if given a chance?
The journalist asked me कि what was one film, but to reincarnate of that of his caliber, and Amitabh sir caliber, it would be really difficult, I would say, and certain things it's better not to touch, I would say that way. But of dad's film, I've always wanted to do Arjun. Arjun is something that is very, very close to my heart because I think it's very relevant in today's time also.
Since you belong to a family, fully filmy background family, everyone in your family belongs to film, और वो भी उन्होंने एक milestone set किया सबके लिए, superstars है ना in the industry. So ultimately जो viewers हैं या fans हैं, उनकी expectations आपसे double हो जाती हैं, आपसे मतलब करण से. तो like इस बात का pressure रहता है when you perform on screen?
See, obviously you'll be always compared to your family members, that's without a doubt, because they're such, they're legendary actors and you will. So it's just how much more work can you go do and how can you find your own identity so people can identify with you, that, and to step out of your family shadow takes some time, because that more work you do, the more people start, your identity slowly starts coming out to the world. So more than thinking of that, you should think of yourself as an actor. How will you give 100% to this role that is given to you? I think that is more important.
Absolutely. But filmy family से होने का कोई advantage होता है करण के मुताबिक?
See, you get a launch platform, that's without a doubt, but it's up to the audience whether they want to accept you or not. Because if the audience doesn't accept you, then eventually you will disappear.
ये तो बात आपने बिल्कुल ठीक कही. But as an actor, if I ask you, what is your process of approaching for your role or for a character?
As an actor, once the script attracts me and the character attracts me, I have to understand the character. What is his background? What was how his journey as a child to now? His mannerisms, how he would react to the scene. So I take in all of this. I do a complete character sketch. Then I read the script multiple times. So I understand the character's graph from beginning to the end. So once you understand the characters, because it's important to understand what the character is doing in the scene before and carry forward that emotion. Ki acha pichli scene mein this has happened, so this emotion will continue in the beginning of the scene, then it'll become something else as the scene carries on. So these are the few things that I do, and I love to work with my directors as much as possible, so they understand. So once you connect with your director, they know how to guide you, basically, because the director is the captain of the ship, so they know how to guide you and they can pinpoint you directly on the set because you have got that tuning. So the amount of pre-prep you do with your director is always important, because you and your director have to connect on the same wavelength.
Of course, yes, बिल्कुल सही आपने कहा. और देवेन के साथ काम करने के बारे में भी मैं जानना चाहूंगी, since he is also a debutant director, if I'm not wrong.
So because even when he came on to the film, I was also not in the best mind frame also with what had happened with Pal Pal. So we both gave confidence to each other. It was his first film. I gave him the confidence that no, you can go do it. There is talent in you, and he reinstilled confidence in me that no, Rocky, you have it in you. Don't worry, we will work on this together and we will do this together. So we became one unit. So it was very lovely working with him, and it was like a brilliant time, and I would love to work with him again in the future after this.
Oh wow.
So I think there's a very close bond me and him have formed.
Yes, absolutely. और जब किसी के साथ भी आप काम करते हो तो वो बॉन्ड बहुत जरूरी हो जाता है. जैसे
It is important because once someone understands you, then it's a different thing altogether.
वैसे किस तरह की फिल्में हैं जिनका हिस्सा करण बनना चाहते हैं?
Oh, I want to do all sorts of genres, basically.
अच्छा.
I have no restrictions. I would
What
love
about
to
action?
Action.
What about action?
I would love to do action. I would love to.
Because people would love to see you doing action.
No, I know a lot of fan feedback is that they want to eventually see me in that role, and hopefully when a subject and script comes my way, hopefully that would be the next one I'm doing. If people enjoy me in this, then the next film, hopefully there are directors and script writers out there that are seeing this, like I would be ever ready to do that.
अच्छा, एक चीज जरूर पूछना चाहूंगी, like what is more challenging to do a film which is a remake, because आजकल बॉलीवुड में हमारी इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारे साउथ के रीमेक्स बनते हैं, तो ये एक ट्रेडमार्क सा बन गया है कि बॉलीवुड इज मेकिंग साउथ का रीमेक डे एंड अगेन. इसमें ज्यादा काम करना मुश्किल है या फिर एक ऑल इन ऑल न्यू स्क्रिप्ट पर काम करना ज्यादा मुश्किल?
See, with the remake, obviously it's only natural, and the film was brilliant. Roche Varura was a brilliant film, and it's got its accolades and recognitions. So obviously people are going to naturally compare it. There's something you can't run away from, but I am very sure that people are going to enjoy it because the whole team has put a lot of effort into this film. So I hope that people will enjoy it, but I'm guaranteed that people will enjoy it. I'll rephrase with what I just said. But obviously it is a risk. I don't deny that it's a risk. It is a risk when you tackle something of that great subject matter, but you just have to go with it. And at this moment of time, I was approached with this subject. I really like the subject and character, so I didn't think about these other external factors while approaching the script.
What was your first question when this script was offered to you?
My first question. What is it?
That you asked to the director. नहीं याद है?
नहीं, I just asked him when are we starting the workshop? He's like,
नहीं, आपने ये नहीं पूछा मैं आपको इतना बड़ा वेला दिखता हूँ?
नहीं मैंने नहीं पूछा था उस
वक्त. वैसे आप फैमिली से एडवाइसेस लेते हो, ग्रैंडपा से, डैड से, चाचू से?
No, that I do, and everyone is such a greatly talented actor, as I said earlier. So obviously everyone gives me their own advice, and I'm fortunate to have such talented actors around me to give me advice. So no, at home, a lot of people always are pushing me and driving me ahead.
तो दादू से क्या एडवाइस मिली थी जब राहुल का किरदार साइन कर लिया?
He's saying just be besharam. That's what he said. Yeah, he's saying I was going back and said you should have no inhibitions in you.
अच्छा,
That's
मतलब उन्होंने ये बोला होगा be like जट यमला पगला दीवाना, है ना?
ऐसे तो नहीं, पर उन्होंने बोला बिल्कुल कोई ऐसी don't keep any inhibitions in you, basically.
So what are your takeaways from the character of Rahul that you have played in Vela?
Just enjoy life here. Enjoy it, because in the school days you enjoy a lot, but as you grow, there's more responsibilities that come on your shoulders. So that kind of weighs you down. But we only have one life to live, and especially with the uncertainty that is around there now in the world, just enjoy as much as you can. That's the biggest takeaway I would.
Absolutely. और मुझे लगता है ये फिल्म करने के बाद अभी ढेर सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी करण के कंधों पे आने वाली है, बैक टू बैक प्रोजेक्ट्स मिल जाएंगे.
No, that's definitely there. No, I'll take those responsibilities very strongly and drive them ahead.
And of course, we are going to watch you in like अपने two also. Full family एक frame में नजर आने वाली है हमको, है ना? So how much are you excited for that?
No, because it's a blessing to work with my dada. Yeah, never in my lifetime I thought I would get an opportunity to work with him. So it's a very emotional and exciting moment for me going ahead.
It's one such precious project for you, I believe.
No, very, very precious, very, very precious, because I'm getting a chance to share screenplays with all my family members.
Wow.
So itself
once in a lifetime offer.
Once in a lifetime, and definitely is something that I'll remember for the rest of my life.
Of course. So we are looking forward for Velle also, and we are looking forward for Apne too as well.
No, thank you for that.
And thanks to you, Karan, for joining us on Punjab Kesari.
Thank you so much. It was really fun talking to you. Thank you.